Hey guys, welcome back to the Creative Restoration channel. I'm Doug Giles. Well, let's see. Yesterday morning, Amy and I got back from our cruise to Cozumel and Progresso, and I immediately wanted, as soon as we got back, I wanted to jump on getting a YouTube video knocked out, and you know what? Give you guys a little bonus. So, today, unfortunately, I don't have before pictures of the shoes that I'm going to work on. If I do, I'll look for them before I upload the video, and I'll try to put the pictures up before I actually get started with the shoes. But watch the video through the end. The shoes are actually a pair of Edmonds McTavish that were donated to me, specifically so that I could do exactly what I did with them and give them away. So anyway, watch through the video. Tell me what you think of it. Like, comment, and subscribe down below. You can, well, comment down below. I know what I did with these shoes is not necessarily going to be for everyone's taste. I'll say that right up front. But somebody's going to think they're the coolest shoes on the earth. So, watch through the video, and I'll see you when we're done. So you know, guys, I really enjoyed working on those McTavish. You know, these suckers came out absolutely beautiful. I love the color. I love that color on there. Double oak soles. These soles will last a lifetime. That's Vibram Soul Savers on here, and as you can see, I mean, they're used shoes, but they have not been beat up. They are in excellent condition. Now I went and I put in a pair of shoelaces here from my Jingle Bell mocks. I did not have a pair of green, but these are red and green. They're not my favorite, but they're still, they have the green in it to match. So now, didn't I allude to something about a bonus? Yeah. Well, guess what? I'm giving these away. Yeah, that's right. I'm going to give these shoes to a lucky viewer. So if you like them, these are now let me tell you what they are. I know you know that they are McTavishes. These are a 9D. So if you wear a 9D and you're a subscriber, comment below and they could be yours. Now, I'm gonna announce the winner for the shoes on not a week from today. Today's Saturday. Let's see. I'll announce the winner in 2 weeks. Yeah, 2 weeks from today. How's that? So, if you like the shoes and you're a 9D and you're a subscriber, then make a comment down below. These aren't going to be shoes that I'm going to be sending off to Steve. Like I said, I mean, the soles on them are in fantastic shape. The sole savers on there really did a good job. The heels on them are still in fantastic shape. So, again, if you like the shoes, leave a comment down below. So, look, if you like the content that I'm creating, hit that subscribe button down below and hit the bell notification. That way you can get notified every single time that I upload a video. You never know which one of my videos is going to be one that I'm going to do a giveaway on. I got more shoes sitting over there on the side. I'd really like to have some ideas. You know, if you don't see if you have an idea for a pair of shoes, you know, look, leave a comment down below and tell me, hey, look, you know, get your hands on a pair of such and such, and why don't you try doing this with it? I don't know that I will. I don't know that I won't. But, you know, I always like having more suggestions from you guys. I get a lot of suggestions from guys within the groups, the shoe groups that I'm on and the shoe forums that I'm on. And, you know, I'd like to hear from you guys, my audience. So, again, like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that bell notification, and let's get up over that magical 1,000 subscriber mark that YouTube has. So anyway, see you on the next video. Bye.